in this video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your wig cap like a pro. Sometimes whenever you put on your wig, you can see a little line from where the cap is. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, we need to slay and lay all day. Okay, so first you're going to start with your wig cap. You do have a wig cap that comes with your wig, complimentary. Your hair does need to be in the fashion of how I have it. I have a video on how to do your hair, so underneath your wig. So if you need that video, I'll have it linked down below. So basically, you're just going to make sure that the wig cap is covering up your entire hairline, because what the wig cap does is it provides a barrier between your wig and your hair so that your hair can stay healthy. If you don't have on a wig cap, that is an absolute no-go, because you're going to have friction from your wig against your hairline. So we want to protect all of our edges. We want to protect our hairline. We do not want any friction from the wig on our hair. So the wig cap is going to protect that. So you can pull it back very, very slightly, but we really don't want to see any of our hair. On the sides, if you have, big sideburn like me, you might have some hair exposed, and that's okay. So now all that we're going to do is you're going to grab some of your favorite foundation or concealer. Basically, you just need a makeup that's in your skin tone. This can be a powder or a liquid. I find that liquids stay better, but whatever is easier for you and whatever you have, you don't have to go out and buy something. So all that I'm going to do is just take it and go along the perimeter of my wig cap. And what I'm going to do so that you guys can see the difference, I'm going to do this side with the makeup on it, and this side I'm going to leave it just regular so that you guys can actually see what I'm talking about. So I have my wig here now, and I'm just going to put it on for you guys to see the difference that this little trick that I'm telling you about makes. Okay? So this side is the side that I did not do the trick on. And if you look ever so closely, you can actually still see the wig cap line, right? Well, if you look on this side here, wig cap where? What's a wig cap? You guys see that? You see how it's just blending just perfectly? Okay, that's what we want. You see how right here, you can see that line? You see that? See how you can see that line right there? Watch. I'm gonna finish the rest of it and watch how that line just disappears. You get some of it on your forehead, on your skin, like, it's not the end of the world. It's your skin complexion anyways, so it's okay. This little trick goes a long way. Whenever I tell you, it's like the difference between night and day, literally, okay? So I'm just going to pull up my wig cap just a little bit because it tried to do its own thing. Don't let your wig cap slip back. Pull it forward if you need to. You guys see that? You see that? What line? Line where? So I hope you guys love this tip. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like and comment. Let me know if you like this video so I can know to do more of them. And thank you guys so much for tuning in.